Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to scan documents to PDF without installing any app on your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your file manager. So I'm going to simply click on search right here, and I will type in file manager. So what you need to do is to click on files right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. Then position the documents and hit on snap. Then to automatically snap the document right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. Then it's going to save the file. Successfully save the file. You can view the file as PDF documents. It's that simple. You can see the file right here in PDF file format.